YOLO Reviews here, and today we're going to show you how to change a Toyota Key Fob battery. This is going to work with a lot of different model Toyotas, including ones that have 3 or 4 buttons. As long as they have this key shape, it's going to work. You're going to need a CR 2016 battery, which we've got right here, and we're going to include a link to that below in the description. In order to change a Toyota Key Fob battery, you're going to need a screwdriver. There's a little indentation right here. You're going to put your screwdriver in there, and then you're just going to twist, and that's going to pop this up. Now, before you take this cover all the way off, I want to turn the key down, and the reason is this has plastic buttons in there, and if you leave it open, all those buttons are going to fall out when you take this next piece out. Here you've got the battery module. Just pry that up, and now we remove that, and you can see those buttons. You don't want to turn it over, otherwise all those buttons will fall out and you'll have to put them back in. Now we've got our battery module here. All we're going to do is take a screwdriver, and there's a ledge right here. It says use a coin to open from over here. We take our screwdriver, we open it up, and that pries these two pieces off, exposing the battery to the Toyota Key Fob. We've got a CR 2016 battery in here, and now we're just going to pry this out. Typically I go from this side right here where that little spring is, gently pull that out, and then you're going to be able to get that battery out of there. Now we need to have our new CR26 put in. You can see here it says plus side up, so that's what we're going to do. We take our new CR26 battery. You want the positive and plus side displayed up. There's 2 ledges right here on this, so you can see right here there's a ledge, and right here's a ledge. You want to kind of slide the battery in those ledges first, and then press down, get all of this sealed back in with that spring, and then you're going to take your plastic cover for this. You're going to press everything back in place. Now we're going to insert this back into the key fob for the Toyota Key Fob battery. So now we take our last cover here, we put that on and click into place, and that is how you change a Toyota Key Fob battery. Once again, this is going to work with many different models of Toyota as long as it's got this shaped key. You may have this button here, or it may look a little bit different, or you may not have this button. It may just be these 3 buttons without this. In that case, these instructions are still going to work, and it will still take a CR 2016 battery. So thanks for watching on this video on how to change your Toyota Key Fob battery. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time.